Alright, I'm gonna be late at work because we pick up our new vehicle, which is that one. Finally, the RAV4 arrived. We ordered that back in June 1st, and then 3rd week of October, the Toyota here in the place sent an email that production will gonna start sometimes in the 3rd week of October. So the vehicle may be like done 1st week of November up to like 3rd week of November, and actually 2nd week of November is arrived in our place. I didn't know that there's like a Toyota plant somewhere in Kentucky. I think it's in Kentucky, I'm not sure, but anyway, they sent us an email like, when you gonna ready for your appointment. And I was like, oh my god, baka dumating yung car. Okay, I'm really excited because finally car arrived before winter time. The reason I would like the new car, because I'm sick of my, no, I'm not sick of my old car. I still love my Prius. So my car right now, which is I'm driving right now, is 2008 Toyota Prius. The only thing I love this car is save a lot of gas in summertime. If you drive like nicely, up to 55 miles an hour or gallon per hour. I think 55 miles per gallon or an hour. I don't know how to say it, but anyway. So pero kung ako ang magdadrive, no, dahil kasira tayong driver, laging late. So 45 to 48 or sometimes 40, depende. Yun yung pagdadrive ko sa car na to. So that car is RAV4 2024 RAV4. Marami siyang mga cool feature. I'm so excited, pero hindi ako excited sa bills. Of course, we live here in the US, credit card, or not credit card but credit, right? So we paid 18,000 cash, and the remaining is like monthly bills. So I gonna pay 585 a month, and that will be go for 4 years to pay, but we are planning to pay like less than 4 years, I hope. So depende, kaya kailangan kumayod kalabaw at i-ignore ko na yung mga mangungutang or mag-email sa akin magme-message sa akin sa messenger ng pautang na hindi naman nagbabayad. Now, pag alam ko na yung mga nagme-message sa messenger is magme-message lang tuwing like nasapit ng Pasko, nangungumusta, alam ko na kasunod niyan. So I will try not to open those messages. Ang sakim ko, ano, ang sama na ugali. Ay nako. So yeah, we have a lot of expenses really. So after noong mga bandang June, so sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana darating na yung car, kasi sabi nung June na from 12 to 15 months arrival since you ordered a car. So hindi kami na-expect na darating siya before winter time, like December. Sa area namin talagang start talaga yung snow na grabing kapal is sometimes in January, but sometimes also like start 3rd week of December, depende. So my old car, dahil ako ay nag-work ng night shift, so I'm done like PM night shift, so I'm done 4 o'clock in the morning. And many times happened last year, especially the first winter storm, na yung car ko nagshabe na ng snow dahil napaka low clearance ng car ko, diba? Kasi yung Prius low. So sabi ko talaga, kailangan ko na talaga ng mataas yung clearance ng car. Kasi kawawa yung car ko pag mag-snow dahil wala pang mag-shovel niyan dahil nga, diba, 4 o'clock in the morning. So, mostly wala pa talaga mag-shovel pag mag-start lang yung snow. But I'm sick of that. Like, my car, hindi naman siya na-stop through the years. I have this car for 9 years. I'm driving this Prius for 9 years. I'm so careful driving this, especially snow time, dahil alam ko my car is not winter friendly. So hindi nga ako nag-change ng like kagaya ng iba, mayroon silang winter tire. My car is all season tires, which, you know, so hindi talaga siya dependable winter time. So every time, the good thing about my car is hindi ako pwedeng, natakot ako pupunta ng malayo pag winter time, alam pag may snow or ganyan. But so I save money. Hindi ako makapag-shopping kasi doon sa tinitirhan ko, kung ako'y mag-work, doon ako tutira sa isang bahay, which is if I go to a shopping mall, it's 45 minutes away. And then from the other house to my other house, my official house right now, is 1.5 hours away. And pero dito sa lugar namin, malapit lang yung shopping mall. But even if pag snow time talaga, hindi ako lalabas. Pag hindi kailangan, yung ano lang talaga sa interstate lang, dahil nga para to avoid, you know, kasi nga yung car ko. So sa awa naman ni Lord, hindi pa ako napunta ng ditch. Well, one time, but it was like hindi naman siya accidentally napunta na like you're driving and then napunta sa ditch yung car mo. Bale, one time, it was like winter time, nag-attend kami ng birthday party. Yung alam mo naman, nagkiki-party tayo kahit masama yung panahon. So nag-back up ako. Akala ko part of the shoulder pa rin yung pag-back up ko. Yung pala, ditch na pala yun. Hindi mo malalaman na ditch na yun kasi covered with snow. So doon ko na ano, pero yung mga dalawang kaibigan ko na kasakay doon, sabi nila sa akin na sana daw binidyohan ko daw sila habang tinutulak yung sasakyan ko. No, sino pang makalala ng video? Nagpapanik na ako doon sa sasakyan ko. So yun lang ang experience ko na medyo na-ditch yung car ko, pero hindi yung na-ditch dahil nag-drive ako. Dahil nag-back up na ako noon from park. So yeah, I'm so careful of my car. Yung car na to, marami na rin pinagdaanan. So marami na rin pinagdaanan yung car ko. Minsan dati pinapalitan na nasira yung kanyang yung old battery niya, kasi dalawang battery ng Prius. Yung isa which is expensive one, and then mga 2,000 plus, and then the other one is like I don't know 300 plus or 400, maybe 300 plus dollar only. So yun ang nasira, yun ang pinalitan. After nung napalitan ng ganon, okay na siya, hindi na ako nakaproblema. And kahit saan, almost everywhere in the US talaga, nakakarating na yung car na to dahil one time pumunta kami ng not sure, North Carolina. So as we travel, so yun, ano yung papunta kasi parang bumisit ako sa pinsan ko doon sa North Carolina. And yeah, and then one time before the COVID, that was like 2019, so we travel, nag-road trip kami papunta sa Maine. Mas madali, galing sa lugar, sa state namin papunta sa Maine, which is mas shorter siya if you go through Canada. So ang ginawa namin from my place, from my state, which is Wisconsin, and then to Michigan, and then cross the river or whatever, the lake, I don't know, river or so St. Marie, Ontario, Canada, and then you know we travel that. That's like one day I think, and then so from Niagara Falls, Canada, turned out to be Niagara Falls is a new town also, which is Niagara Falls, the falls in Canada. So we crossed that bridge to back to USA. So that's how my car travels. And then so marami na talagang napuntahang state sasakyan sasakyan na to, sinasabi ng mga dating workers ko, sabi niya, Leah, itapon na nga sa dagat yung car mo kasi nga minsan, halimbawa pupunta ako ng Chapultepec or pupunta ako ng ano, tapos na nasira yung car ko o hindi na mag-start, tapos natawag ko sa work, hey, can you pick me up? Kasi yung car ko is na dead, so tatawag naman ako ng ibang kaibigan para i-recharge yung car ko, blah blah blah. Oh my gosh, so yeah, so that's the story of this car that I'm driving right now. So we pick up the car earlier. We have appointment like 9 o'clock in the morning. So with all the paperwork, with all the explanation about the car and everything, we did a test drive, and then the agent explained us about you know, like the uses of the car and marami siyang mga feature blah 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 na I'm not so familiar with kasi nga diba magkaibang Prius at saka RAV4. So pero dahil Toyota, dahil pareho silang Toyota, so hindi like ano, parang may idea din ako. So anyway, I don't have time to use the car dahil gusto ko gamitin siya for the first time na hindi ako nagpapanik dahil malilate ako sa work, which is right now it's 2:16 in the afternoon, and it's 1 hour drive away to my destination, which is my work. And ayaw ko i-drive yung new car na kailangan ko mag-speeding, di ba? Para naman nakakatakot na I never been caught. Ay, dapat hindi ko siya hindi ako sawa ni Lord for the past many years na lagi akong like, okay, oh my God, malilate na ako, so nag-speeding ako. Hindi ako na tawag ito na nahuli. Ayaw ko naman na first day of dahil malilate na ako, and then para baka mag-speeding na naman ako kasi nga ikakatch ko yung time, tapos biglang new car, tapos mahuli ka. I love mahuli. My gosh. So I decided na iwan yung new car ko sa bahay and gamitin mo na yung old car. Dapat kasi i-swipe, trade in namin tong car na to. So instead of i-trade in namin, parang hindi na lang kasi at least magamit siya ng asawa ko dahil nga we live 1.5 hours away. So and this car will save us a lot of gas. So kung hindi ako buwi sa isang bahay, at least he can use this car instead of like pick up. Kasi yung pick up car, yung pick up talaga, yung truck, grabe talagang kain niya sa gas. So at least he can use this car, this Prius, anytime if he want to visit me in the other house. Like for example, I don't want to drive back up north when it's winter time, so he can visit me using Prius na hindi gagamit ng, you know, kagaya ng pick up na malaki ang ng gas talaga. So marami pa kaming, so yung aking old license plate sa Prius ko is na transfer ko na doon sa RAV4.